Hi, my name is Abhishek Gurumadwa. This video is called Beliefs. Now, a business school is not going to explicitly ask you what do you believe about this issue or what do you believe about that issue. They are going to automatically gauge what you believe from how you write your essays. Okay, your essays could be about your past experiences, your goals, what matters to you, what not. And finally, they'll form a picture of who you are based on what they think your beliefs are. Okay, now this video I'm going to talk about what a required belief is and some essence of what my beliefs are. Okay, a required belief is for you to recognize that you are part of something bigger, and another requirement that is an extrapolation of you being part of something bigger is your desire to contribute, your desire to do good work, your desire to collaborate. So when I say belief, I say your understanding of recognizing that you are part of something bigger, and what you do, what you say, what you think is going to affect you and the surroundings, the people around you, and all that. So simply put, recognize that you are part of something bigger and you want the well-being of yourself and this bigger thing. Without this belief, there is no chance of you getting into any top business school or getting into any accelerated program. Now, for me as a teacher, I'm not going to teach everyone who wants to learn, simply because I can't. It's not in me to teach everyone everything. But if someone is ready, then it is a joy for me to teach. It is a joy for me to contribute to that person's progress. Now, if someone feels that that person is standalone and is in a place where he or she is doing something out of, I don't want to use the word because it has so much baggage, selfish, because selfish is good, bad, this thing, that thing. But in my mind, when someone is at a certain place, let me not even use a word for it, at a certain place, there is a block to learning, and as a result cannot be taught even with a lot of effort. Okay, so the process of removing this block is having the right beliefs. And one important belief is to recognize that you are part of something bigger and wanting the well-being of this you and the bigger thing. So that's the required belief that can get you at a place where you write and give your experiences a perspective that is conducive to getting you admitted to a business school. So I think I talked a little bit about an example of conducive beliefs also, because for me at this stage where I'm in now, I love teaching. Teaching is part of my core, and it energizes me. It energizes me being with people who are receptive to what I have to say, and me being able to contribute to the progress of aspirants. But I do come across people who are not in a place where they can learn from me, right? And they are not in a place that the information I give them will be for their betterment and the betterment of the people around them. So have the right beliefs, have the right understanding, have the right knowledge that can take you to a place where you are in an accelerated learning program, in this case the MBA. Thank you.